So I thought I wasn't gonna be a fan of this. This is good though.
Yeah.
Right? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Trixie. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you, unboxing a huge box of Japanese goodies. Our friend from Japan sent us a care package and it's a lot of snacks from Japan. So it's pretty cool. Some of them I'm familiar with, but some I haven't seen or I haven't tasted yet. So yeah, I'm gonna show them all to you. I'm gonna unbox and show everything to you. My husband is right here in front of me to read them for me because if you don't know, he lived in Japan for like 12 years. He can read a little bit of Japanese. So yeah, he's helping me right now. And also, because there's a bunch of them, so I can't taste everything, but we might pick some to taste in this video. Yeah, I'm glad you're here to join me. Let's start. Okay, so we'll start with the non-food.
It's an onigiri maker.
Onigiri maker.
Which is like a rice ball.
He doesn't want to be in the camera. Yeah, so this is an onigiri maker. With this one comes the seaweed. This one I like. I love seaweed. So you can use this with this one. And then I think you just put rice and then the sushi, right?
Well, you can put like tuna.
Yeah.
Tuna onigiri is like one of the popular ones.
Okay, so yeah, we have that. All right, next.
So this is grape haichu.
These I'm familiar with, the haichus. So this is the grape one. These are really good. Yay, we have a lot. Pineapple. Oh my gosh, this is a lot. Thank you so much for sending these over. You know who you are. Thank you. Oh, by the way, this video is not sponsored. Which one is this?
It's like super lemon.
Super lemon. It says super lemon.
Obsessed lemon. That's
I
what
have.
it says, but it's
Okay.
It's like a super lemon.
I haven't tasted this yet. Yeah, I think it's the grape one that I've tasted. So haichu is like a gummy candy, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. So
So this one says Carapis. It's like a drink brand, flavor brand. It's like a gummy
How do
candy
you say it?
Carapis.
Carapis, but it has an L, right?
Yes, yes.
Carapis.
Carapis, yeah.
カルピス、カルピス、カルピス。
Because there's no L in Japanese.
So what is it?
It's like a gummy candy, like the haichus.
Ooh, have you tasted this?
No.
Maybe we can taste it. Made by Asahi. Okay, next.
So both of these are like ramune. Ramune is like a soft drink candy flavor.
I feel so useless because I can't even read them. I mean, I can use my phone, but... oh, it has something inside. Ramune. Okay, next.
This is easy. You don't need me to translate that.
Oh, just different
Says,
flavors of bubblegum. I'm excited to try some of them. What is this?
It's a grape gum.
Oh, it's a nice container too. It's thin. It's like a plastic container. Oh, I know what this is. Choco Baby. I love this. I used to buy this because they had this in the Philippines too. They sell this in the Philippines. I used to buy this, I think, when I was in high school or college. They're just tiny chocolate candies and they get so addicting. Yeah, I'm glad we have some.
This is also another form of ramune candy.
Wait, what does ramune mean again? So this is candy too, right?
So it's like so ramune is like lemonade. Ramonade. So ramune.
So this is another type of ramune.
But it's not like American lemonade.
It's like tiny marshmallows. Okay, I haven't tasted that either, so I can't
It's like soda.
comment on that. Is it good though?
It's been a long time.
Oh, it's like Choco Baby too. It's like gumballs, like tiny gumballs or candy balls.
Next one is like a rice cracker.
Oh, they're like thin rice crackers. Ooh, this one I like. The rice
it's
crackers
the same.
too?
But that's like shrimp flavor.
Yeah, so that is the shrimp flavor. I love that they're thin. You know how when you have snacks that are thin, they kind of get addicting because you feel like you're not eating that much, but you're actually finishing the whole pack already. Yeah, we're gonna try these too. Oh, there's another one.
This is a soy sauce type of rice cracker.
Interesting. Soy sauce, rice cracker. I guess we can taste that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be a fan of this, but we can try. All right, next we have different spices that you can put on rice or sprinkle over your rice.
Somi.
This is somi.
Yeah.
Somi. Looks good actually.
This one's
Yeah, we haven't tried these.
Sukiyaki flavor.
Sukiyaki flavor. Ooh, this looks like corned beef.
This is for curry rice. You can sprinkle this on curry rice.
Oh, I know Coco Curry House. I remember we went to this place in our last trip to Japan last year. Yeah, we went to the one in Irvine and we went to the one in Japan.
This one is for like a spicy sprinkle. This could be like a meat, rice, and stuff.
Oh,
like
I think I have like the chili version of this, like the oil version. So this is supposed to be spicy. I love how we all have different ones. Thank you again. What's next? How many do we have more? 8, 9 more. Okay, we can make this quick so that we can taste some of them. I'm excited.
Yeah, so this one's, we're talking about karupis.
Karupis.
It's a hard candy. There's some flavors like peaches, mango, pineapple.
Ooh, that looks good. This is the hard candy version.
Lollipops.
This character looks familiar. So these are lollipops, just different flavors. So this is, what is this, baby? Milky
candy.
Just milk candy.
Yeah.
I'm not too big on milky candies. I'm pretty sure I've tried this before because it looks really familiar. Yeah, maybe we can try it again.
So this one's Koala no March.
Oh, that's Koala
chocolate.
March.
Yeah.
That's Koala. Okay, this one I know because of the photo. Koala March. So these are like that, the panda one. Hello Panda. It's like Hello Panda. That one I love. I believe they taste the same. It's just that I'm more familiar with that. I've bought some too from Costco that I bring to work before. So they're just biscuits with chocolate inside. Next.
This is like a rice cracker rolled in seaweed. It has a soy sauce flavor.
Oh, I've tasted this before. So rice cracker wrapped in seaweed. This is the soy sauce flavor. We only have 4 left. Yay! We're gonna try a few of these and the others we'll have to share because we can't eat this all.
Different nuts and grains and stuff like that.
Oh, it's like trail mix kind of, huh?
It's more of a snack.
That's cool. All right, 3 more and
This
these
one's
are
easy.
more familiar. This one's like the easiest. Cheetos!
That says cheese.
Oh, it says cheese. So there's just some Japanese writing on there. Last 2. Nori.
So it's a nori chips basically.
Ooh,
Seaweed
nori
potato
chips.
chips.
Oh, and it's Calbee too. This is one of my favorite brands, Calbee. Because I like the fries, what is it called? Potato fries, whatever.
I forgot.
Yeah, it's like a harder version of French fries. It's like the chips version. It's so good. That's my favorite. I love the plain one and the soy sauce one, I believe. Those are my super favorites. And we usually buy them here in the Japanese store close to us. But I tried to like not buy as much just because I know it's not healthy. But yeah, the brand for that is also Calbee. So this one is Calbee seaweed and salt potato chips. These are good too. Last one is my favorite also. Oh my gosh, this is my ultimate favorite also. It's karu.
Cheese flavor.
If you're from the Philippines or if you're Filipino, you probably know about cheese curls. This is like the thicker version and a little bit tastier than cheese curls, but it's almost the same. So I love, love, love this. This is so addicting also. I can show you what's inside. All right, so that's that. Let me show you how much I have here first.
Hey, just as a disclaimer, I can't read kanji, but I can read and sound out hiragana and katakana.
You were good though. I don't even know, like, I know 0 Japanese. Alright, let's try these. I know he wants to open this already. Actually, we can, so I can show you how it looks like inside. So this is the karu cheese flavor. What does karu mean, babe?
Curls. Karu.
Oh, so karu means curl. So
Yeah.
that's why. Alright, here, have some. I know he wants some. Okay. Let me get water and a napkin. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, the karu is so good. All right, next one to try. I want to try the rice crackers, even the soy sauce one. I just want to compare. So I do love that they're thin. Let's open this regular one first. Pull out plastic thing. Let's try one. I love it. Oh my gosh.
Is it good?
I love that. Yeah. So it's like plain. Don't you like it?
Mm-hmm.
I really love that. It's just the original flavor, but I love how it's thin. It tastes like, oh my gosh, I don't remember what it's called. One. I'm not sure if that's Japanese or Korean, that one crackers. But this is like a smaller version and I love it. Next. Ooh, I can already smell the shrimp from this. Ooh, this is even thinner. Has that pull-out thing too. Smells like shrimp already. Yeah, I feel like this will just taste like a regular shrimp cracker. Yep, shrimp cracker. I love shrimp crackers, so I do like this too. Yeah, I really love the thin ones compared to the thicker ones because we usually buy that big bag in Costco for the shrimp crackers. This is way better than that. Let's try this soy sauce one. Oh, okay, these are definitely thicker. They're like tiny round hash browns. It's good too. Oh my gosh, here, taste this. So I thought I wasn't gonna be a fan of this because soy sauce sometimes I feel like they're too salty or like the taste is too strong. This is good though.
Oh yeah.
Right? I love that we're discovering so many new snacks. Okay, next. Let's pick a couple more.
Ramen is like ramen is Japanese lemonade.
Yeah, but you said it's not like regular lemonade, right? Like the American lemonade.
Kind of.
Let's taste this ramune haichu. Is there like a special way? Oh, okay. I was opening it wrong. I guess you pull this tab over here. This is what's inside. I haven't eaten candy in a long time, honestly. Okay, wait. So let me show you how it looks like inside. I think there's like white stuff inside and then it's light blue that's covering it. So it's like chewy on the outside, but there's like hard candies inside, so you just can't bite it. Okay. It does taste good. I'm trying to think of something to compare it to, but it does taste like Starburst. Starburst with hard candy inside. It sort of tastes like lemon though, but not as sour. It's just a hint of lemon. It's really good. I like it. So we'll try these two. This is Milky. Oh, so it's individual candies inside. Okay, let's try one. It looks like it's hard candy. Ooh, it does look like milk turned into candy. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
It's legit milk. It sort of becomes soft candy too. Like you can chew it a little bit. It's not like hard candy like these. Yeah, so this one becomes softer and then it becomes the chewy kind. I'm trying to see if there's something inside. No, there's none. So yeah, it just tastes like milk. Milk turned into candy. Alright, last but not least, try these gums. Bubblegum time. I mean, if it'll let me. Oh, I keep on opening like from the top, but they always have these tabs. They have these tiny tabs that you can just pull. The little things. We have grape, apple, orange. I'm not reading it. I'm just looking at the images. There's grape. Oh, green grape. There's the purple one. Strawberry. Is this avocado? Oh, it is?
No, let me see.
I don't think I want to taste avocado though for bubblegum.
No, melon.
Oh, melon.
Meron.
Meron.
Yeah, this is melon.
Meron is like meron in Tagalog for Philippines. Meron is you have. And then, is it meron?
Meron, like melon. Melon.
Yeah, so meron is like melon in Japan. So it's like round candies like this. They're just tiny.
The only bad thing about it doesn't last long.
What do you mean? Like it expires right away?
No, it's gonna be gone. The flavor will be gone in a couple of minutes.
Because it's tiny. So I'm not surprised if it's gonna be gone right away. Why do I feel like it's haichu also? It's so tiny that I feel like it's gonna dissolve. But nope, don't swallow it because it's gum. I like this. I'm trying to remember that candy that I loved when I was younger. This really tastes like it. I love it. Maybe I can mix one other flavor because I want to try this grape one. Of course, it's in purplish, pinkish color. It's just the regular grape that I love because I love grape flavors, especially for candies. Yeah. All right. I think that's it for now. These were really good. I can't wait to try the others on a different day. And yeah, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you've tried or if you love Japanese snacks and you know other snacks aside from these ones, let me know down in the comments below. And let me know also like if you've tried any of these and let me know if they're good or not. So I hope you enjoy this video, this short video of this unboxing of our Japanese care package. Thank you to my husband for being here, for helping out. Thank you so much to our dear friend who sent this over. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Together, let's make happiness happen every day and live the lives we love. I'll see you on the next one.